Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the EOS on our Samsung Galaxy S8, which is based on Android 13. Now EOS is a totally privacy focused OS, and which means you will get everything de-googled. So let's dig into it and see what it offers. So guys, this is EOS and this is completely de-bloated, and this is without Google apps. I mean, no G app services or any Play services are present in this ROM. Completely privacy focused. First, let's move into settings. Here, getting down into about phone, Android version. And this is based on Android 13, but it comes with the 5 February 2024 security patch. So yeah, we get the February 2024 security patch, vendor security patch April 21, which is provided by Samsung. And yeah, these are the other options, and here it says this is the 5 April build for our Samsung Galaxy S8. So yeah, you might get new updates with March or April security update. You can tune in it, and you can also install updates via the updater. You have an updater. So I hope this is not the official OS, but I guess unofficial builds also support OTA. So yeah, good luck with that. So guys, let's start with the home screen. Now this is the home screen. There is no app drawer thing or something. This is just like iOS, or many Android launchers also have this kind of home screen. Now left swiping, you will get this small card section widgeted, as you can see, weather, messages, and some more maps and all that stuff. And here is also your take photo small widget, which will quickly get you into photos. And here we have add widget, and you can customize this as you want. Like, you can take a long list of that too if you are good with it. And yes, here are the apps completely de-googled. No Google services, no Google apps, no Play Store. Then how to install applications. We have an app launch. Just get into it and you will see a lot of apps here. Oh, that's great. Like, my internet is working fine. So yeah, you have to just search, and you can input your favorite app name. So if I write Facebook, which is not my favorite app, so as you can see, Facebook is here. You have to find the app here, and also you have a privacy rating here in the apps you install. So 0 privacy. So thumbs up to EOS and app launch for providing total transparent data regarding apps. And you can install a lot of apps here. You can just search and also check the privacy indicator, like it will rate it out of 10. So that is really nice. And all these other apps are most of OSP apps, which is obviously Google product, but yeah, it's de-Googled. Like, I hope you guys understand that. This is the calendar, and we have the clock. Yeah, as you can see, like, Google and OSP apps are there, but the services are not there. Okay, let's clear up and let me show you the camera, which is kind of different, and the settings are looking like open camera. So I don't know if this is a forked version of open camera. And yeah, this is open camera. Actually, I did not read that. Like, I've been using this for last 2-3 days and I have not read here, because just the settings that look like open camera, not the interface. So yeah, this is open camera, so you can tweak it in a lot of ways. That's nice. Now let's jump into settings and see what customization we get. I mean, I don't know if we can get any customization, but yeah, this is the settings UI. A bit different. The UI is with some nice colored icons, and those who do not like colored icons may not like the settings UI. So yeah, it's okay. Like, some people may like it, some people may not. And yeah, just other, like, all the inside stuff is same. As you can see, storage, battery, it's not that much highly customized. Like, this ROM focuses on privacy. So yeah, let's see what else we have with privacy. Yeah, display and all same functions are here. In wallpaper and style too, you can see you get this pixel wallpaper selector. Let's go into privacy, and yeah, this is just the basic Android stuff. There's nothing different, but yeah, it's a de-Google ROM, so a lot of privacy you have said. Oh yes, we have advanced privacy here. As you can see, geolocation, real IP address exposed, and we can actually hide the IP. I don't want to. Like, let it get exposed, I don't care. And geolocation, app trackers, which are denied, so that's really nice. If you want the apps to not access your data, you can just enable that. And yeah, as you can see, one tracker, Spotify is tracking my data. Oh my god, but who cares, like, just yeah, these are the options you get, so that's nice. I mean, you can tweak it afterwards. Then we also have MicroG, and if you are a MicroG user, like I have not used MicroG a lot of, like, just used it a very long time ago, so I don't know what, like, just the Google stuff here you can configure. Now this is status bar and other options that you get in basic EOSP and LineageOS ROMs. So yeah, that's what we have. We also have an updater that I have talked about. So yeah, that is it for this ROM. And yep, that is it. A privacy focused OS. If you're really looking forward to not use Google apps at all, or if you use MicroG, then this one is for you guys. And it's Android 13, so you will obviously get a better battery life. Like the Android 14 ROMs is also same, but Android 13, I don't know why it's a bit smooth than Android 14, and as it handles Android 14, Android 13 well over Android 14. So yeah, I'd choose this if I really need a privacy focused phone. And I guess it's like 3 days I'm using this and it's really great. There is no issue. Whatever function I use, the basic functions, everything works fine. So there's a good thumbs up for me, for you guys to try it out. Now let's move towards the installation. It's easy just like other ROMs, but still I will show you guys. So if you want to see, you can like go forward, or yeah, that is the end for you guys for the video. So those who are going, bye bye. Those who are watching, let's go with the installation. For that, you have to power off your device. We'll meet there. Now you have to boot your device into TWRP recovery mode. Press the volume up, Bixby and the power key, and your device will boot into TWRP. So guys, if you have an older version, I recommend you this version, or if any advanced version or the next version is available, just go install the latest one. Then you have to wipe. There's no need to wipe the internal storage, so all your internal storage data is fine, but if you have any app backup, app data, you have to get that backed up within that app through cloud. Then go to install and you have to download this EOS. Reboot after installation you can use, but yeah, just let's get it. Okay, let's skip this part where the ROM is getting installed. So guys, as you can see, the ROM has been installed and auto reboot has been triggered. So yeah, obviously it will auto reboot into the system. So that is it guys for the video. If you guys really like the video, press the like button. If not, the dislike button is there. And if you want more such videos on Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus and Note 8, or the Galaxy S7, S7 Edge and Note 7 FE, then press the subscribe button. Also for any feedback and comments, installation part, you can check the description and comments will be in the comment section. So yep, bye bye guys, see you guys in the next one.